Hey, what's up, user? Welcome back to this video. Have you ever wanted to notify everyone in a WhatsApp group at once? No more typing name one by one, because today I'll show you how to tag everyone in WhatsApp group using your laptop. Let's go. First, open WhatsApp web at web.whatsapp.com or launch the WhatsApp desktop app. Scan the QR code and log in. Here's the magic trick. In your group chat, just type @everyone, and guess what? Everyone in the group gets a notification whether they like it or not. This works great for important announcement, event reminder, or if you just want attention. @everyone only works if you are an admin of the group. So if it's not working for you, well, maybe it's time to ask for a promotion. And that's it. Now you can tag everyone like a boss in your WhatsApp group. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Thank you for watching.